Okay, hello folks. As you can see, I guess this is all we get for the night, but look right there in the center of the screen, just above that treetop. And let me zoom out and zoom back in, that way it'll focus. See there? From here, just looking at it, it's perfectly round. That is a spheric shape. I'd say back in there, that would be probably an object, because look right there in the center. See how it's messed up back in there? See there? And that right there is holding form. That is it's holding stationary, folks. And look at this. Them two little clouds right there. See there? Now what's up with that? You know? Why are those just astray, you know? I mean, look at this. See how that is? There's nothing like that here in the south. See? There's nothing like that in the sky at all. See there? It's not like out in the east either. It's just right in there. You see that? But look what color it is, though. Purple. And then look at this. And this little bit, why is there a chemtrail back in there? Sorry, I'm not holding it very still. I'm all the way zoomed in, and you know, you all know how hard it is to hold still on something like that. Look at this. You know, that right there don't even look like a chemtrail. Well, it does, but it doesn't. Well, it does look like one, but it's actually not a chemtrail. See, look at that white speck right there in the center of the screen. Almost at the starting of that line right there. You know, it's like, what is that? Anyway, look at the stuff back in there. See there? And that right there, it's still holding. And looks like there's a couple objects back in there behind everything. You know, I'm sorry this is all I get tonight. Look at that now. That right there looks weird. You know what I mean? Folks, it seems like it does not matter what time of day we come out here. You know, things is happening. We're seeing stuff. Now look here. You see how blue the sky is and everything? See there? You know, this is the west, south. You see how blue it is? Look how red it is up north. It's like that in the east too. See there? But anyway, here's what I'm trying to show you. You see them little thin layers back in there? That cloud above the treetops? You see the thin layer? That will turn, if I'm not, no I'm not, I don't think I'm too late. That's going to turn like red. And there's some back in there, you know? I don't know why it's like this tonight, but as it gets darker, this here will show up better, you know? That's because I believe that is the system setting with the sun. And we're just now getting the start. It's the starting of its atmosphere showing up in our own. You know, so. And that's really what I believe, because that's what I've been seeing out here. I mean, look at this. You can tell. Look at that. You can just, I mean, you can tell there's stuff back in there above the clouds or the system, whatever it is. You see there? Right in the center, above them low trees in the center. You know, even on days, folks, where it looks like there's really nothing there. I mean, if you look, you'll see it. You'll know there's something there. Well, that right there at the edge of the tree line, that looks weird. Look how low this little cloud is all of a sudden. You know, look like it barely over the treetops. Now, I do watch clouds back in there and back in there. They come up from, look like it's from the trees, and they rise up in the atmosphere. They rise on up in the sky. I don't know why or how it does it, but it does it. I watch it all the time doing that. You know, there are a couple plants, like a energy plant over that way, back in there. But I know the plants don't do that. You know, that's just pretty much steam. That'll disappear. You know, what I see is clouds that form and just rise up. You know, and as you can see, this here's starting to get darker now. This, it's starting to show up a little better, you know, as I do this video. And I would like to give China Miss Jones a shout out. You know, the word China and then Miss, MRS, and then Jones. China Miss Jones. So check her out, folks. She does all right. You know, she's another truther about this system, so I don't exactly know where she is yet, but check her out. She's doing a live stream tonight. You know, and it's just another person that we get the truth from, another part of the world. You know, that's pretty cool. Look back in here, this other little cloud back in there. See that right there hiding behind the trees? You know, I mean, what's up with them low-lying clouds like that? I mean, they come from nowhere. You know? And look at these. It's like they've hardly moved. It's like they're just sitting there and disappearing. You know, there'll be more to take its place. You can count on that. But you can tell that there's stuff starting to happen. You know, and we're starting to see things now because it's that time of day. It's actually here all day. A lot of us, we want to do it just at sunset. You know, I mean, I do it just really at sunset because I don't want to hammer you guys with 10 videos a day. You know what I mean? I mean, that does get aggravating. I mean, I know I should do 2 videos at least a day, but you know, I'm good with 1. You know, and I'm sure on this, even a screen like this, you see how it's nice and blue? I'm sure if you filtered it, you could get something in that's not showing up, that we're not seeing. You know what I mean? It sure is a pretty day today, though. I mean, it is. I mean, look at this. It's starting to come in. I actually see something going on right up above me, but it's not coming in too good yet. I don't know if you can see it on here. I can't. Anyway, it starts just right there above that tree right there, and it's going up that way. It's real faint. I can barely see it with my eyes. You know, but I can see it, so. All right, folks, well, keep your eyes in the sky. I will say peace and love always. And, folks, keep up the good work. Everybody's doing a terrific job getting this truth out there. You know, but we must keep it going. You know, we must keep the truth going. So, on that, I will say thank you for watching. And to the new subscribers, please use anything you like. Okay? Use any video you want. It's okay. Use all of them. I don't mind. You know, and as I always tell everybody, this just is not my channel. It's your channel too. Use anything you like. So folks, I will say peace and love always. And God bless all of us.